Hey, Greg King here, and welcome to Make Money on YouTube Without Making Videos, the guide to affiliate marketing in 8 simple steps, 2021. So in this video, I'm first of all going to highlight the 8 easy steps of how you can get an online affiliate business going. Then I'm going to delve in a little more in depth on each one of these steps. Then show you just a killer free site of how you can actually be ahead of the curve and launch brand new affiliate sites. Then in a moment, I'm going to give you the 3 links of how you can put this all together. And I'm going to put it on the screen and also in the description box. Now, first, you want to create a brand new channel strictly for your business. The second thing you want to do is choose an industry or a niche that you're passionate about. And it really doesn't matter what you're passionate about. I mean, it could be anything, but it has to be of passion. Third is research product in your niche that you can review. Next is sign up for an affiliate program. Then create content in the form of videos. Optimize the page and track your ratings. Or your rankings, Get your products in front of red hot buyers. Rinse and repeat. Well, there you go. It sums it up in 8 simple steps. Is it simple? Absolutely. Is it easy? Not really. And let's face it, if it was easy, everyone would do it. Now, the great thing about it is you're not going to put a lot of, virtually no money into it. You're going to have to put some elbow grease and some time and make it work. However, there's very little investment necessary in this. And the return can be, quite possibly just out of this world amazing. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create a YouTube channel. Now, there is a fallacy that says you need a ton of subscribers. And when I was actually recording this video, I only have 58 subscribers. So if you want tons of subscribers, you may want to do monetized videos. However, that's not this. This is about getting in front of people that are passionate about the same product, service, or coaching that you are, and showing them how you can buy this. So you want to choose an industry or niche that you're completely passionate about. Because what happens here is people will look through this really quick and see that if you're not passionate about something, well, people can read you. They know right off the bat if you've actually bought into what you're saying. And you can't fake it. It comes from within. Now, the next thing you want to do here is, let's see here. Yeah, search products in your niche that you can review. It doesn't matter what it is. Just make sure that you're an expert in your field. And once again, whether it's be lamps or drones or phone supplies or camera attachments for your smartphone, it doesn't matter. It could be car parts. It could be anything. The thing is, you got to have some passion in regards to that. Now, the next thing you want to do here is you want to sign up for an affiliate program. I'm going to get that a little later because that's the bonus. That's the thing that is just smoking cool. And the great thing about this is, and it says in my title that make money on YouTube without making videos. This is absolutely tailor-made for that. Now, most people are scared to death about making videos. And, they'd much rather die than make videos about themselves or actually public speak. So I mean, that's pretty normal. Now, the next thing you want to look here at is create content in the form of videos. Well, Google has forecast this 5 years ago, saying that the new wave of searches for Google and YouTube, the number 1 and number 2 platforms for searches in the world, that will be videos followed by podcasts. The day of the blogs, the day of the websites, it's not a way that people search anymore. People want to search with how to or what is or something on, and you won't rarely find a website that will make that happen. Now, I'm going to show you right now here the example of that. And that is, I just put in best mirrorless cameras for beginners. And you can see there's a couple of websites here. Then there's pictures. And then you go down a little further and there's more websites, and you go down the page a little more and you'll see more and more websites. Now, most people only get down to this part before they make a decision, and most people will decide a decision based on the eye appeal. And what is more appealing? Videos and pictures. And it really does make a difference. Now, the difference between these ones and this is the websites cannot put up visuals. They can put up websites where it gets transferred. Only videos will give you the visuals because, well, let's face it, Google and YouTube are the same company, and if you can actually put a handful of videos on YouTube, they will migrate over to Google searches. And that's how you can get real powerful results with red hot buyers, by just doing that. And I'm going to show you a little more in depth a couple of steps down here where you can actually do it, and it's just you can do it unlimited times for free ads on Google. The next step is optimize the page and tracking your rankings. Now at this point it doesn't, that is a complete video unto itself. It's not really important to know the nuts and bolts on that right now, but it is important to track it in the future once you get some videos up and find out what's working and what's not working. And you can see right here, and you can get this on YouTube Studio, and it's right in where you do the videos. And as you can see here, when you have a video, this is one of my videos I did, and I had 280 searches, and it's really good. And typically right here, that's normal. And I kind of knocked it out of the ballpark with this. So I went to analytics, and this is what it shows: the viewers, the time watched, the subscribers. So everything here is hitting pretty good. I mean, this is not great when people are falling off. And once again, I don't want to get too far into depth, but you can see I'm doing something right when people are actually watching it. So, I mean, you'll be able to do that in the future, but it's not important right now. It's basically putting a pulse on what's working and what the hot spots are for people and what the not so hot spots are doing, and how you can be successful getting this out to people and what's not working. The next is get your product in front of red hot buyers. Now, I can tell you this, without a doubt, is my passion. I love this aspect of the program. And what it is no matter how good of a product you have, now, from a personal experience, I was into seed stocks and escrow stocks, and one of my bestest decisions was to get into this mining company that mined dirt. And they, seriously, and what they also did is they actually refined it, and it had 29 organic minerals in it. And it worked from everything from feeding chickens to fertilizer to hair products to facial products, like Revlon had their fingers into it. My doctor used it on the Canadian Olympic swim team. It lowered the heart rate. It was great for osteoarthritis. It had bone density. It was the gift from God. Unfortunately, I lost my shirt in it because it never got to the market, because as good as a product is, if it doesn't get to the market, you might as well just not even bother. Don't waste your time. And this is the great thing about this is I'm going to put a link right now in the bottom of the screen of how you can take advantage of getting your affiliate marketing product or any product on the first page of YouTube, Google, and the Google carousel within minutes, literally within minutes. All organically posted, or that's a polite term. The other term is free and unlimited. And you can see here, I did this in 2 minutes. You don't need 6 months for it used to be with the old search engine optimizers. It would take 3 to 6 months to get on the first page of Google, and even then you weren't really guaranteed. Now you can see that if you do the simple steps that Paul brings out, and it's a 24-hour ranking system, and he's actually being pretty conservative. You can see here, I can do it in a handful of minutes, and I can do it on the front page of Google, YouTube, and the video carousel. And you can see here, I've got the whole front of the video carousel to myself, and you can see here with the videos, literally the first page is me. Here's another video carousel that I've got the first page on, and it goes on, and I can bore you with this. Why I'm showing these examples is to show you the consistency. If you just follow the plan that you've got the link at the bottom of the screen now, it works, and it works every single time. Now, the 8th thing you want to do is rinse and repeat. Now, once again, this 8-step process works for any product, service, coaching, anything. And if you can get your product to the front page of Google, you're going to be putting yourself into red hot buyer territory. Now, what I have done is I've left the best for last, and you'll see it all kind of tie in together, where you can actually not put your face in front of the camera. You can rank number 1, 2, 3 on Google, the YouTube, and the Google carousel, and you can actually get on the curve, on the very front curve of actually marketing and promoting an affiliate company that actually hasn't gone to market yet. And let me show you that. Sign up for an affiliate program. Well, the great thing about it is there is a website that actually shows you what's coming out for affiliate products that haven't launched yet. And if you can just take the learnings that I've shown in this video and promote this before it launches, when it does launch, what's going to happen is people are going to go online and Google the product and look. There you are on the front page of Google, YouTube, and the Google Carousel. And this is the site. So the site is called Muncheye, and it's a bizarre name for a site, but it really works. And what it does do, it shows all the new coming launches for affiliate companies and products. Now on the left-hand side, you can see the big launches. On the right-hand side, all the launches. And you'll see also down when you scroll down a little bit, it talks about the just launched products. Now I would suggest is go up to the big launches coming up, and you can see that the time and date of the launch, and anything that's highlighted in yellow typically are the big players. And you can see here where it's Aiden Booth. He has the Kibo Cold Quantum. It's been extremely successful. That launches on January 26th, and if you double click it, he talks about the launch dates, and the price is $34.97. You get a 50% commission. Now the cool thing about that is you really don't want to be selling products only making $20 or $40. I mean, that doesn't really make sense. Everything should be at least $100. Now, the reason behind that is you're working hard anyways. You might as well get the most from a product, and there is a market for it. Now, I want to go back into here and maybe just click this back here. You can see that there are some at $37. So if you get an $18, forget about that. Go for the big boys. Go for at least $100, and you can see this one is a great one, or this one's a good one. This one, you get $100 for Omar Martin. Now, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put all these links in the description box and also in the comment section, so you can take a look at them today or tomorrow and decide if this makes sense for you or not, and take these 8 steps and actually create a lucrative affiliate marketing online business. Now, if you've liked the video and found it informative, and you can see the possibilities of starting to generate money online with an affiliate company, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, so you never miss another one of my videos. Also leave a comment below to see if this makes sense and see if you can see the possibilities of making money. Now, until next time, please have yourself an awesome day, and we'll catch you in the next video.